Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the IRSIC Scientific Committee for this opportunity. My name is Zakaria Tagnamas and I would like to present a part of our work under a title of solar drying of truffle slices coupled with a microwave pre-treatment. In this presentation, I will adopt the following overview. Many food products are consumed in large quantities. Their availability depends on their conservation. So, the objective of this study is to set up an innovative method of conservation based on solar energy. The drying is a method used to eliminate the water from a food product, and the solar energy is used in the drying of Moroccan truffle. This method has some advantages: cheap and accessible technology, low environmental impact, and high energy efficiency. It has also some disadvantages: may affect the product quality, extended drying time, depending on solar irradiation. As we said before, the solar drying is used to preserve truffle, but this method may affect the quality, so the drying time should be reduced. The proposed solution is to expose the product to microwave pretreatment before their solar drying. In this study, we used a forced solar dryer with an auxiliary source of heat, as you can see in this figure. In this study, we follow this experimental protocol. First, we prepared the truffle slices with a thickness of 3 millimeters. Then, the slices are entered to a micro oven for about 4 minutes. And finally, the slices are exposed to a solar drying in 4 temperatures. We track the mass loss of the product using a digital balance. To study the drying kinetics, we used the moisture ratio parameter, as this equation shows. The following figure shows the variation of moisture ratio as a function of time. As we can see, the drying air temperature affects the drying kinetics of truffle. When the temperature is increased, the drying time decreased, and the microwave pretreatment can remove about 30% of initial moisture content. In the following table, we compare between the treated and untreated slices for the studied drying conditions. As you can see, microwave treated slices dried faster. For example, in the temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, the untreated slices require 350 minutes, but the microwave treated slices required only 120 degrees Celsius. The microwave pretreatment can reduce the drying time. Then, as a result, the product quality can be. As conclusions, the solar drying is a very interesting technique to preserve the truffle. The drying kinetics are impacted by the air temperature. To avoid the quality degradation, we propose a microwave pretreatment. In the next development, drying study should be extended to various conditions. The energy analysis will be done, and we will also investigate the product quality using suitable techniques. Thank you for watching.